What's up everybody, this is CryptoBox with another video. If you're new here, I make videos daily about blockchain games and NFTs. Subscribe if you're here to make some gains. Also, check my Discord and Telegram down below in the description. You can find me there, ask me questions, give me suggestions, and communicate with other people. So let's get started with the video. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about the Sandbox or the Sand token, and this is a pretty old game by now. You can see actually by clicking all, you'd see it was out basically about more than 2 months ago. And this game's been out for a while now, and I think this game is pretty cool. I've been looking at it. I've been seeing a lot of news about it. I've been seeing a lot of collaborations about it, and you can see their market cap is $681 million, which is really high, obviously. And they've got a max supply of 33 billion tokens with a price right now of 76 cents. And this is on the Ethereum blockchain, so that's kind of unfortunate, not gonna lie. You can see 300,000 watch lists. Like I said, this is a pretty populated game, and also their Twitter. You can see it's also on Binance, it's on Uniswap, PancakeSwap, Gate.io, all of these different exchanges. You can see it's already like everywhere. And obviously that is a good thing for their token and project, because you know it's also on KuCoin. You can see, so like the second biggest maybe or third biggest exchange, crypto exchange. It's ranked 120 in the global leaderboards, and it's basically really close to hitting a billion, I would say, on market cap. Just give it a few more months and it might as well be a billion. Here you can see this is their Twitter with 217,000 followers, and what I like about this game a lot is you can basically import Minecraft world projects or Roblox studio projects and stuff like that, which is obviously really cool, because you could really have Roblox and Minecraft collaboration with this crypto game, and who would have thought that would have happened. You can see that Sandbox is a virtual gaming world where players can build and own and monetize their gaming experience. So basically you buy a land, you do whatever you want with the land. You can make a game out of the land, you can make a concert, a bar, whatever, and basically you can like have people pay for ads on the boards or whatever. Most populated game. Here you can see a little map of all the lands and stuff out there. You can see Atari is on there. They've got a big chunk of land. You can see different types of games out there being built and made and played. Obviously I think this is really cool, and also there's basically no coding into some of these games. Which is obviously really good. You know, some people don't know coding. Most people actually don't know coding, and this helps you make games without even coding. You can see building on your own land, making games and stuff. This is like building their house and backyard and all of that. I think this is pretty cool. Look, invite your friends to a party, chill out, make money, I guess, from crypto. You can see barbecue and all of that. Let's party, emotes. Obviously that means this game is really cool, and create unlimited NFTs. You can see there's like their own studio kind of thing. You can see the graphics are really good. Surprisingly, you can make them better too with mods. And obviously I think this is really cool. This is their website right here. You can see they've actually collaborated with Snoop Dogg, which is rare, and who would have thought Snoop Dogg would have been in an NFT game. And basically he's gonna have his own concert. I'm pretty sure you have to buy tickets to his concert and all of that. And you saw just right there, that was Snoop Dogg. You see his cars, you see the map on the top right, the NFTs he owns. This is his house supposedly. This is a party, a pimp ride, all of that. So that's really cool. You can see him right there doing his little dance that he's known for. Then you have the marketplace, so NFTs for sale. You could buy stuff from Atari, so the Atari collection, this is basically all from Atari. Binance section, Binance NFTs. There's many different things. F1 Delta Time, F1 stuff. You could scroll down, you can find like deadmau5, an artist. You can see right here, this is him. You can buy this, but it's sold out. And obviously it goes on and on and on. And then you can buy lands, so basically lands that you could use for, you know, parties or whatever you want to do. and obviously that's really cool. So basically, their marketplace, you buy stuff with, I'm pretty sure, the Sand token or whatever this token is right here. You can check it out, and you can like take this. So 210 right now, that would be, yep, it is Sand token. You can see it's 160 USD, and you can see the amount of owners, how many for sale, and all of that. If you can buy lands, like I said, lands here, so buy it with Ethereum, and obviously they're not cheap. Obviously, you should expect that it's not cheap. You can see this guy has a bunch of land. His name's Spicer. He's selling a lot of land, and you can see the little land, the orange dot is what the land is at, so their location. So basically you can see this one is right next to this big pile of land. You can see that is like Mobox right there or something, and the land is right next to that, and this little face of someone. And basically I think this is pretty cool. You can also like buy stuff for your avatar, customize your avatar. You can create games without even coding, so you can see craft your game, coding not required. All you need is their game maker, so you just download it, and you have your own land. You can start building whatever you want to build, or you can build for other people and get paid. You have like Vox models, so how to change what you look like, avatars. This is basically like if you join a different land and game, this is what your avatar could be, different looking and all that. You can create your avatar, customize it, add stuff to it, and basically talk. I'm not sure, I don't think there's voice chat yet, but that could be a thing soon. Right now it's just chatting and emotes and all that. You can see their actual map here, and you can see the on sale lands. So basically right now it doesn't seem like there is any. There's the Walking Dead, there's Shaun the Sheep, there's crypto miners, there's a bunch of different things, and Sandbox, and you know, on sale on at OpenSea. So if someone is advertising here, that's on sale on OpenSea. You can see artwork, you can see NFT arts like CryptoPunks right here, Tycoons, Pong, Revomon. I've talked about that. There's Atari. You know, this is a humongous piece of a map, and obviously if you get one like land over here, you could be lucky, because at some point this will be all sold out to other companies maybe, and that means that you won't be able to buy it. So this is like a big land you can see here, and then there's little small lands like here. These are the small lands. This is like 3x3, this is a 12x12, and this is a 24x24, and obviously the bigger the land, the more expensive it is, but obviously it is also better to have a bigger land. If you could afford it, you know, I'd say is a pretty good option. Here you can see tiny little land pieces, 1x1s. And obviously, I think this is a pretty cool idea for a game, because, you know, making your own games in this map, and basically all you have to do is click on it and you'll be able to play whoever made that game. You can see their partners, backers, and investors. You got deadmau5, Snoop Dogg, The Walking Dead, South China Morning Post. You got Atari, Animaco brands. So many different, you know, big companies are here collaborating. You got Splinterlands, another NFT game, obviously collaborating. You can see their roadmap right here, and their detailed roadmap. So if I scroll down and click this should take me to their roadmap. You can see their team. Obviously they have a bunch of people, because this is a big project, and obviously big projects need a lot of people sometimes. Here, this is like Sandbox, land, blog. You can see how to get land, how to get sand, how to stake sand. Sand is available on all of these exchanges and stuff, and obviously Binance is one of them. KuCoin, and obviously I think this is a pretty cool project. So tell me, what do you think about it in the comments below, or in my Discord server. You can also privately DM me on my Discord if you have any questions, or on my server. You can see also right now there's a this was on August 5th of 2020, so obviously this was a long time ago, but it was a Binance Launchpad sale price of less than even a cent. So it was a 0.0083 USD per sand, And now look where it is. It's way higher than that. It's at 76 cents and it's still going higher and higher. I'm not sure if they have a burning token mechanism. I can't find it, but here you can read all about their sand token. And it seems like there's 166,000 lands available, and you can own lands, sell assets, build games on the game maker. Obviously, we all know this. And obviously this is a really cool project, so tell me what do you think about it. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, comment what you want for the next video and what game recommend, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.